Hi everyone, this is my final chart appraisal of today, Tuesday the 5th of August, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets, and as per usual it's gold, and the gold price continues to make a series of lower highs and lower lows over the past 3 weeks. We've seen this in place, this corrective phase. And it seems as though that rally, that sharp rally we had on Friday, couldn't continue yesterday. Had another corrective candle, although it seems a little bit messy over the past few days, up and down, up and down. But the big takeaway that I'm having is the fact that my long-term indicator on gold is 144-day moving average, and we've now traded for 4 days underneath that moving average. That comes in at 12.98 now. And that will begin to turn that moving average lower, which certainly suggests that the outlook is deteriorating on gold. There's no real sign of any improvement in this RSI indicator. The MACD lines are back below neutral. Also, the stochastics are sort of fairly negative as well. So it just looks like a more negative outlook on gold. This 21-day moving average is now forming the basis of resistance on the upside. 1305 that comes in, 1305.70. Excuse me. But it just looks like that rallies are being sold into, and if you look on the intraday chart, you'll see just a series now, going back quite a long way. But you'll see a series of resistance levels at $5 intervals. So 12.95. That comes in, then 1300, 1305, 1310. Just a series of old supports which turn into new resistance, and that resistance certainly comes in around that 1300 mark as well. And 1305, 1310. So there's a lot of overhead resistance that's holding this gold price back. 1312, which is that rally there, high from the 29th of July, which equates to really the last key reaction high on gold that would need to be broken in order to suggest that the bulls are back in control, or certainly near-term bulls are back in control, and it doesn't look like we're getting that at the moment. Although, yes, at the moment gold is trading at a day high, it's still not really showing any real intent to push on in this recovery, and I just think that this looks like it's going to be rolling over. You might see it up towards maybe 1300 again. But I think at the moment, certainly with that falling 21-day moving average, 1305.70, it just looks like we're going to get another rally that's just going to roll over once again. I think we're looking increasingly as though we're going to be coming up to retest that support at 1280 once again, because I think that looks to be the case. And to be honest, that is in my opinion, that is the last line of support for the longer term, or the medium to longer term argument that would suggest you may be in some sort of recovery mode. I think that 1280 resistance band that was a resistance became support is just really the last real hope that the bulls have, certainly in this phase anyway, because a breakdown of that, I think you're back at 1260 and 1240, but we'll see how that goes. But certainly I think at the moment rallies are being sold into on gold, and you just need to be aware that it looks like it's coming back towards a test of 1280. The geopolitical issues that can certainly flare up at any time tend to have an impact on gold, but in the meantime the technicals are seeming to be dragging gold lower. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.